You know that when we started this company, we decided that we're going to give you, our members, maximum benefit. Why? Because when we started, we were only shipping for families and friends. So we said that, you know what? Every customer is going to be treated like a family member or a friend. That is why we give you a free platinum membership. And as a platinum member, we give you free coupons. You get 4 free coupons per year, right? So every 3 months we give you a free coupon, a £5 coupon for you to ship an item absolutely free of charge. Why? Because we consider you family, we consider you friends. We want to thank you so much for letting us serve you. Thank you so much, all you guys who sign up, all you guys who see the videos and like them. Love it. Thank you so much. And listen, we're not stop serving, alright? So I want everybody right now, go ahead and join our platinum membership. Just log into your profile, click on free shipping coupon, and voila, you start to get freeness. And listen, you not have to enter no credit card, we're not gonna charge you now, we're not gonna charge you ever. Join the platinum membership. Come in our family now, man. We could ship something for you now, man. We could give you some freeness now, man. Alright, catch you later. Bye bye. Love you now.